daughter tested on Saturday, so I have yet to get the test score or the test results back from my test. So hopefully I'll get them back today, and I'll be back at school tomorrow. So the way this is going to go for this week is we're going to just have an opening thing today and start tomorrow as basically the paperwork, the first 2 days, the paperwork, and then we're going to be at school next week. Now, I did get some information about everybody going to school, like coming to class full time, face to face. So, is Lexi on here? No. Gwen, you're coming, right? Face to face, 4 days. Katie Butler on here. Katie, you coming 4 days? Okay. Nydia?
I should be, but I have college classes that mix with your time.
What time?
Well, my history class is Monday, Wednesday at 11.
Okay. Well, you can leave for that, but you'll be here the other times?
Yeah.
Okay. Luis?
Yeah.
Cynthia, are you going to come full time 4 days a week?
Yeah. Wait, what do you mean? Like to your class?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Brandon,
Yeah.
you going to come 4 days a week?
Yeah.
Okay. Ethan?
Yeah, well.
Okay. Sadie? Yes. Matthew, did he show up? I don't see him. Keaton?
Yeah.
Did Trevor show up? Alexander? Emma? Logan? Cassie? Grace? You going 4 days? Brody?
Yeah.
You going 4 days? Emma, are you going to come 4 days a week? Starting next week? Oh, that's Sadie. Sadie, you going to come 4 days a week? Cassie, sorry.
Yeah, how do I figure that out with my other teachers though?
I'll take care of it. I'll do it tomorrow. Lexi, you coming?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's the cat symbol? Emma, are you coming 4 days a week?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's this? Edwin. Edwin, you coming?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Jackson?
Do I gotta like ask Miss Badgett if I can, or do I just show up?
No, I'll take care of everything.
Oh yeah, I'll come 4 days then.
Good 2 points last night.
It was no, on Twitter they said I had 6.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Alan Claire?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's everybody except for 3. And so what we're going to have to do, the board passed the resolution saying that we could go 4 days a week. I'm not sure about the social distancing because right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 17 confirmed, and then 3 more that could possibly do it. So we might be split up in between rooms. and use the other room as well, especially whenever we're doing our projects. Okay. But 4 days a week, we can do a lot of things compared to if you were just there 2 days a week and you were split apart. We'll just go through everything and I'll tell you my plan for this semester. So first things first, right here, today's agenda, right here is the syllabus. Y'all, every one of y'all have taken me at least twice before. You know how I do things, you know about the EQs, you know about late work, you know about the due dates and stuff like that. So we should all be on the same page, and none of us should be surprised if you don't turn something in about your grade. Okay, so this class is computer integrated manufacturing. It takes a lot of the manufacturing world and puts it in with the computer aided stuff. Now, in today's society, computer aided design is everywhere. So any type of manufacturing is done by a robot now or some type of computer. So we're going to basically be researching that stuff and seeing how that affects every single thing that is being bought in today's society. So with that being said, that's the class, but we're not going to follow every bit of that. Okay. So I need to know, I know I'm getting a lot of information from you today, but I need to know when you took POE and if you had Robot C and understood it. Okay. So I remember, Gwen, you've had POE, correct?
Yeah.
With Robot C.
Yeah.
Okay. And who else was in your class? Alex was in your class, right? He's not on here.
Yeah. Alex was in our
Yeah,
class.
yeah, I was in that class.
Nydia,
Okay.
Logan.
Logan was too?
Yeah.
Okay. Alex, are you going to come face to face 4 days a week?
I don't know. I haven't decided. When do you need to know by?
Like yesterday.
Oh, yeah, I'll get back to you on that.
Sorry,
That
sir.
would be like yesterday. Matthew, I'm sorry. Are you coming face to face?
Is it for every class or just yours 4 days a week?
You can just come to mine, or if you come to mine, you have the option of doing all of them.
So can I just do 2 days a week?
I would rather get the commitment of 4, but if I can just get you the commitment of 2, that's what I can do. But
I'll try to do 4, yeah.
all right, so I need to know tomorrow, okay? So that I
Okay.
can go ahead and start planning. I'm going to
All
put
right,
you down as 4 days a week.
Okay.
All right. And you were in that same class too, right?
For POE,
Yeah.
I was in the one with Cynthia.
Okay, so you won. Okay, so Lexi, you got half last semester.
Yeah.
Butler, you did not get Robot C. I don't see Butler. Where'd she go?
I didn't do that thing.
You did not do Robot C. Nydia, you've done Robot C.
Yeah, I did Robot C.
Luis,
I was there last semester, but I don't think I did that last part.
no, you didn't. Like last spring, right?
Yeah.
Cynthia,
Yeah.
no,
Yeah.
you did do it.
Yeah, with Matthew.
Matthew Holder.
Yeah.
We
last
didn't
year in the
we didn't
fall?
get to do Robot C that semester. We got in like
We
the video.
so
We didn't do
Yeah,
anything.
we did the videos. We did the
I
whole
got
we did
tutorials.
all the videos and we got the certificate for it, but we never actually used the programming. Well,
I
we
got
used it once.
We
I
started.
got Ethan, no. Sadie. Sadie. No. Matthew. No. Keaton, no. Was Trevor in that class, same class?
Yeah.
So he did not use it.
No, he didn't get it.
Emma. You did? Or you didn't?
I was in the class with Cynthia and Matthew. So like
Okay, so you didn't get it. Okay. Cassie?
No.
No. Grace? No. Wait, you got half.
Yeah.
Mr. Brody, you got it, didn't you? You did not get it. Alan Claire? Where'd she go?
I didn't do it.
Did not. Jackson? No. No, you got half. Edwin?
Yeah.
You did get it?
Half of it.
Okay. Edwin?
Yeah.
You did get it?
Yeah.
Okay. You were with Arturo, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I've got, we've got a broad spectrum here of people who has taken all of the Robot C stuff and who a lot of people that haven't. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that has went through POE and done all of the Robot C. I've got 1, 2, 3 that has taken half of it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 that has not. So that's no big deal. Our plan, or my plan right now, is to do a class starting on Monday, nothing but hands-on the whole semester. We've got to get through the ones that has not taken or done anything with Robot C. We're going to have to do the stuff with Robot C from POE first. And then we're going to have to do the stuff from Robot C for SIM. So we've got 2 classes of hands-on stuff that we're going to fit into one semester. So what that's really saying is in this class, we're not going to be doing too many days worth of the paperwork that you would normally do. In SIM, there is more paperwork, but we're going to have to skip that because if we went to the projects in SIM, 13 of you have no clue about Robot C. Okay, haven't programmed anything. So that's our plan. So the time period, especially for the first week. So if I go down here, tomorrow is a paperwork day, Friday is a paperwork day, and then I'm going to start the actual projects come Monday right here. So the ones that has done the POE stuff, you're going to actually start the hands-on stuff in SIM. The ones that has done half of the Robot C stuff, you're going to be doing you're going to finish up POE's projects and then move into SIM stuff. So we're all not going to be on the same pace. We will be working with partners while we're at school. So you're not going to be working by yourself like you were last semester. But you're going to have to understand that the social distancing thing, you can't be right beside each other and doing it. You've got to be spread apart just a little bit. Okay. So with that being said, does anybody have any questions on my plan for this class?
My only question is about tomorrow with the paperwork, because I don't think anyone has engineering notebooks. So do you want us to take it on regular paper and then like put it in our engineering notebook when we get it?
I got you. Let me go back up here. So, lean manufacturing, this will be the thing that you turn in. So if you want to do it right here on this paper and just turn it into the Dropbox, that would be fine.
When does that due?
This right here, that will be tomorrow. This stuff is tomorrow's lesson. That's what she's talking about. So in tomorrow's lesson, we'll start the EQs. You can do the EQ. I'll have a Dropbox up. There is a short lean manufacturing introduction video. And then there is a PowerPoint right here that you can watch, or you can actually watch the speaker give that PowerPoint. And then while you're doing that PowerPoint, you can fill that out. But we'll go over all that tomorrow at the beginning of the class. Any other questions? Good one, Gwen. Okay. Expectations. We struggled last semester. And I'll be the first one to tell you with attendance and grades. It was a huge struggle. With you going face-to-face 4 days a week, the grades are going to take care of themselves. I don't see anybody failing like they did last semester if you're going 4 days a week. I do see still struggling with attendance on Fridays because some of you are not going to sign in or get on the Google Meet or however we do it on Fridays. You've got to make an effort to do that, okay? If you are not at school and you want to be counted present, you've got to be on the Google Meet, okay? So we get options this semester. The teachers get options on how we take attendance. That's how I'm going to be taking attendance, is if I see you face-to-face and I've given some type of instruction to you and you're giving me feedback. That's the only way that I'm going to be taking attendance. Now, if you're at school, you're counted present. So if Alan Claire is sick one day, but she can have her computer up right there beside of her whenever she's at home, I'll count you present as long as you listen to my 10-minute spiel. Okay? Anybody have questions about that? Shouldn't have a problem Monday through Thursday because y'all are going to be in class. But the other time on that Friday, that's usually whenever we'll have a little issue.
I'm confused about what you mean 4 days. Do you mean like 4 days just in your class or 4 days going every day to every class all day?
That depends on what you want. If you want to just come to my class 4 days a week, that's fine. If you want to go to all of your classes 4 days a week, that would be fine too. You're in a situation to where in my class you would not be successful. That's Jonathan Flores. Is he in this class? No, he's in EDD. You might not be as successful if you only come 2 days a week. So the board saw that last semester and they said in my classes, Project Lead the Way, and a couple more classes, that these students can come 4 days a week because they need to be successful in school. Well, we understand if you're coming 4 days just in my class, you have the opportunity to leave after that and go to another class in school or leave school altogether. It just depends on whatever you want to do. Does that make sense?
So if you weren't to go to all 4 days, do you go to the office and get screened there?
Yes.
Okay.
You would get screened the exact same way that you did whenever you come in last semester. You'd just go to the front door.
Will they
we-
know that that you're like not late?
Yes, as long as you tell them I'm coming in for my Project Lead the Way class, you're good.
Okay.
So we could come to more than just your class 4 days a week if we wanted to.
Yes.
Wait, do we have to come all 4 days a week if we said at the beginning of the year, like, or can we just come like randomly all day?
No. If you commit to it, I want you coming 4 days a week.
Okay, but like, I mean, to like everybody else's class.
That I'm not sure about. I think it would be all right if you just come on those 2 days that you would normally be there, like cohort A and cohort B. But that's a question I can ask for you. Did that answer it, Cynthia?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can we come for just like the first 2 classes, or like if we go for all, like if we say we're going to more than just your class, do we have to go to all of them, or can we do like the first 2 and then we can leave?
What do you have fourth?
Fourth, I have English 2.
Okay, so third, I guess what you're saying. If you leave after my class and it's not your day to actually be there, so your day might be cohort A. So you would be expected to be there on cohort A's days. If you wasn't there on cohort B's days, I think that would be all right. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Any other questions? Okay.
Actually, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead. Go in.
Are we using Inventor or are we using Onshape?
Some of you will be using Inventor and some of you will be using Onshape. I don't see us doing too much with Inventor this semester though, or Onshape, with the amount of hands-on that we're going to have to get done. Does that make sense? Last semester, the ones that were not with me last semester, the state did make arrangements for me to make the test at the end of the year. And it was not the college assessment, which was great because really nobody failed. So that's a good thing. The only drawback to that is you can't apply for the 3 college credits at a university because you did not take the AP test. You will still get AP credit for the class. You just won't be able to apply for the credits at the university. I think Butler's brother done that, if I'm not mistaken. Didn't he do that?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. I think he did. You don't talk to your brother too much, do you?
He just stays upstairs all the time.
Oh, is
Or
he
he's
home?
hanging out with people.
Is he home?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I got you. So y'all got some good questions. I hope I've answered them. Right here is the attendance policy. I know last semester the attendance policy kind of flew out the door, but we were told yesterday that this is getting back or coming back to us. 8 days is it. That's all you can miss. So make sure you are following that attendance policy. Right here is the bell schedule. If you want to jot that down real quick, go ahead and do that. First period is 8 to 9:35. Second period, 9:40 to 11:15. Third, 11:20 to 1:20. And fourth, 1:25 to 3 o'clock. So you notice right there that classes are a little bit longer, and that's just so that we are meeting well, they added an hour, so we had to do something with the extra time there. I think you got 5 minutes in each class more, maybe 10 minutes in each class more. Okay, your lunch schedule will be in third period. This is your lunch schedule right there. Depending on what class you are in is where you will go. Do I need to put it back on there? Okay. Does anybody have any questions for me? This is kind of the orientation day. All right, so did Trevor ever come on?
He's at work right now. He said he wouldn't be able to come on the meeting today.
Where does he work?
The Ultimate Shine.
Okay. Did Logan ever come on? Anybody got Logan's number?
Is it Logan Montgomery?
Yes.
Let me ask him.
Okay. All right, so I will count y'all present. I will see y'all tomorrow at 9:40. Hopefully I will be back in school and I can help you there. Okay. If you don't have anything else, I will talk to y'all tomorrow. See ya.
I'm texting Logan right now.
Okay.
I'm seeing if he's gonna join, but I'm not sure.
Okay.
All right.
Is he still working at, where's he working?
He used to work at Crocker Pot, but he works at McDonald's now, I think.
Same place Alex works, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So sometimes Alex works. I wonder what their schedules are. They might be partners.
I mean, Matthew works at McDonald's too.
Matthew Holder? That same McDonald's?
Yeah, it's all of them. It's like Matthew, Ethan Calhoun, Logan Montgomery, and Alexander.
Good.
Like 4 of them.
Okay. All right. Who's that? Is that Logan? Logan?
Yep, that's Logan. All right, bye, Stop Ben.
Later. Logan, you got a camera? You got a camera, Logan? Permissions. Permissions.